Hey everyone, welcome to the video. And if you're new to the channel, on this channel I share what I learn on my journey related to tech, life and just things I find fascinating. So if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel, share it in your socials, that will mean a lot to me. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Yeah, I know the title may seem little clickbaity, but it's not. I actually did program for like 12 to 13 hours straight, and also I removed all those humanly things that I had to do to survive, like nature's call, eating, things like that. And I didn't want to do it, but I had to do it because just circumstances and just things led it to happen. And programming is kind of addictive. Okay, you just, when you start building something, you had to finish that, right? And so this is how the story goes. So recently, before a week or ago, I thought, okay, I have been building some projects and I feel pretty confident to be an intern or something. So I just randomly started applying for positions in sites like AngelList and things like that, where mainly startups are there, right? And I also believe working in a startup will give the real experience. And recently a company connected with me and we texted back and forth, and they asked a lot of questions. I answered them. So recently, 2 days ago in the morning, I received a mail which had a coding challenge and a GitHub repository. So I thought, okay, there should be a project made. I had to maybe make some component or things like that to just show that, okay, I can program this or things like that, right? And when I just read through that, you can probably see this. So this is what I was asked to do. So they asked me to make a whole web app which also includes JWT authentication, right? I thought, okay, maybe they must have given me the timeline of probably 2 to 3 days, right? Because it is a whole thing itself to make, right? Like a whole minimum viable product kind of thing, right? And then when I read, it said 5 to 8 hours, and also it was written, I guess, that time could be flexible, but it was around 8 hours, right? So I thought, like, okay, this is not possible at my current knowledge to just make the whole thing, and with authentication, which is like crazy. So this was my first thought. But after thinking for a minute or two, I thought, okay, coincidentally, actually I had learned how to authenticate roughly before the day before. So I thought, okay, if I am able to do this, it will be a really good learning experience for me and will solidify my skills, and also I will be able to complete the challenge. And if I will not be able to do this also, okay, that is fine. I will just give my best and try to make a minimum MVP product, and yeah, just push it. Okay, and also please let me know in the comment section below, like, do companies ask to make the whole thing as a coding challenge or something like that? Because I don't know, right? So yeah, I'm new to this. So okay, I thought how to do this. So I made this drawing which says which has the database, a server, and they are connected. Obviously the database will be MongoDB, server will be written in Express, and then there will be a client thing, and as they wanted, the homepage should display all the songs that have been uploaded, and when the user signs in and goes into his account, he will see whatever the song he has uploaded or she has uploaded, right? So yeah, I thought, okay, I made this diagram. Okay, I thought, okay, how to implement this, because first of all I didn't know how to upload a music into React. I thought, okay, let's just figure out things, and yeah, just that is what I have said, and this is what I follow when I don't know anything. I just make a vision of what I want to make and just keep trying, and by googling and just spending a lot of time how to do this, and eventually somehow it just gets together and I make it. And I told this in this video, if you just want to see how I create my projects and what is the right mindset to create things, it may help you, right? So I just got started, and the moment I started implementing authentication, I just went through so many bugs that I could just rant about them in a separate video, because I just realized that when you're making a full stack system, the bugs that appear are way more frustrating than if you're just working on front-end or just writing a simple algorithmic problem, because this is the whole area. where can be the bug. I'll just find it now, and probably it will take 30 minutes or something like that, but you'll find it if it is a really bad bug. But I took literally hours to find a bug, and just when I was going to quit, I just found out that, oh, this I should be capital, and I'm back to normal. And then again I started coding, and just this led to a loop going down, going up, and yeah, just I was able to come up with this. So this is my GitHub account, and I'll be providing the links in the description below. So if you go to the repositories, so if you go to this repository SongUp, so this is where the client side code is there, and it is connected to the Netlify where it is getting deployed. And this is the server where the code for server is there, and it is deployed on Heroku now. So everything is deployed. I deployed both the client and the server. Let me show the thing I made. So it is deployed on Netlify. So if you just go to this link, songup.netlify.app, I'll be providing in the description below. So yeah, cool. Yeah, so yeah, there it is. So it just loaded all the by a GET API request, all the songs that have been uploaded. So you can just tap this play button and it plays the song, and if you just upload something, it will appear here. So let's just let me just show you that. So yeah, obviously we will sign in, because hello user, please sign in to post. And yeah, cool, now it shows you a sign in page. Or well, if you don't have an account, you can always sign up, right? And let's just sign up. Okay, 1 2 3 4 4, there you go. Let's just sign up now. It will just register us in the auth, and we're cool. Now we can welcome Alex. Hi. We have the logout button, we have the post, you can post anything. For example, if I just want to post let's post this song, walk, right? And let me just choose that song. Okay, this is an mp3 file. If you choose this file, let me just submit it here. It is a 1.96 MB file, just checked. So it is probably now getting uploaded. So you will see it will appear here instantly. Let's just wait, right? There you go. I did not do anything. It just took time to upload that 1.96 MB file, and I don't show processing bar or something. So that's yeah, that is something should be added. And if you go to this link, the user can see just the things he or she has uploaded, right, in his profile. So yeah, that's just a basic minimum product that I made, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's what I made, and it may look really simple, and it is simple, but if you just see the code, like, it made me crazy. Like, I just learned authentication the day before, and I had to create this, and so it was really I learned a lot, like really a lot. Okay, and that is really good for my confidence, I guess. And yeah, let's just log out of this account. There you go. And yeah, you can just go use it, and just go to the repositories. If you like it, just give it a star, and yeah, just let me know. So yeah, I'm just really proud that I could just learn and make it in a probably a day or something. And that's how I had to program for 12 or 13 hours, because it was not happening. It has a deadline, because it has a deadline. And now I know why do people give deadlines on things. It just forces you to do things. And it actually, probably I did this because it was also really cool to like apply the authentication, because we all always use authentication, but I didn't know how this works, and I just implemented that, and that is really cool. And I just sent it, and they had asked me for my email then, and I don't know what's happening, but I mean, I'm just applying to just get some experience. And yeah, so that's how the whole thing happened. And it was really unhealthy, and probably I'll never do it like consciously, but sometimes it just happens when you just go into that flow state, and you are trying to make that thing, and yeah, you just do it. And yeah, that's how it happened. I just wanted to share it with you. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and you can always ping me on Twitter and LinkedIn. So yeah, just have a great day, and I will see you soon with a new video.